Hello, my students. How are you? In this part, we solve the example, the challenge of mathematics. Okay, already. First, we have this question: find x over y subtract by y over x if x power 2 over y power 2 plus y power 2 over x power 2 equals 38. How we can solve this example? First step, we can put here negative 2 and negative 2 to convert this to terms to polynomial perfect square, like x power 2 over y power 2 e to y power 2 over x power 2 is equivalent to 38. What we will do, we will put here negative 2 and negative 2. Why? Because this term here we can convert to perfect square, right? Square root of the first, right? X over y, and then write the sign of the middle here will be negative y over x all power 2. The result will be 38 subtract by 2, it will be 36. So next step, we can write square root of left hand side, right hand side to find x minus y. X over y subtract by y over x, it will be equivalent to positive or negative square root of 36. The result will be positive or negative 6. Okay, then the value of x over y subtracted by y over x equivalent to positive or negative 6. Okay, understood. Next question here, if 4 power x power 2 equals 64, find value of x. First step, we know 64 equivalent to 4 times itself for 3 times. 4 times 4, 16 times 4 equals 64. Then we can write here 4 power x power 2 equivalent to 4 power 3. Then the base equivalent to the base is the power equivalent to the power. So the value of x here, right, x power 2 will be equal to 3. And the value of x will be a positive or negative square root of 3. Okay. Next question here, how we can solve this example. If x power x equivalent to, we want to find the value of x power x or power x plus 1. First step, to solve the example, you must start about this expression to simplest. Write this, x power x and x power x plus 1. Such that we have here x power x plus 1 equivalent to x power x product by x. He gives me the value of x power x equal to. You can cancel here x power x equal to. Then x right here 2 product by x. So x power x plus 1 equivalent to 2x. Okay. Next step. Put here the value of x power x plus 1 equal to x. So we can write here x example equivalent to x power x plus 1. You can cancel x power x plus 1 equivalent to 2x. Right, 2x equal to. You can replace it, right, x times 2 outside because 2 times x equal to x. And you give you the example here x power x equal to. So we have 2 power 2 equivalent to 4. Then the answer here about this example will be 4. Okay, understood? Next question. Okay, understood? All this question challenge of mathematics. You must understand this text with me, okay? Okay, look at me this question. Square root of 13 power 2 plus 13 power 2 plus 13 power 2 plus itself. We know 13 power 2 here was repeated how many times? Repeated 4 times. Then we can write square root here. Right, 4 product by 13 power 2. Square root of 14 will be 2. The square root of 13 power 2 equals 13. The result will be 26. Square root of answer will be 26. Now, next question here, we can solve it. If x power x plus x equal to x, you can solve this equation by move x from left hand side to right hand side and change the sign, right? X power x equivalent to 2x subtract by x. We will move x here from left hand side to right hand side. Then x power x equivalent to 2x minus x equal x. We have base equal base, since the power here will be power equivalent to the same. Then the value of x here equal 1. Okay. Look at me by this question. You want to simplify, then expression here, square root of 4 plus square root of 12 under square root. First step, we can write here square root about 4 and 4 equal 2 power 2. You can write here 2 power 2 about 2, or write 4 here, and 12 equivalent to root 3 times square root of 4. Okay, and square root of 4 equivalent to. Then we have square root of 4, right, 2 power 2, and write here square root of 4 equal 2 product by root 3. What we will do here, we know 4 equals 3 times 1. Then you can write here the number will be in the simplest. Write 4 equals 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1. Okay, 2 power 2, 4 equivalent to 3 plus 1. And we have 2 root 3. We can convert this expression to perfect square. How is this? We can write 3 here equivalent root 3 whole power 2. And in the middle here, we can write 2 product by 1 product by root 3. And the third, we can write the third here. It to the middle here will be 1 power 2. This expression will be power 2. Okay, perfect square. You can write square root of this perfect square, right? First, square root of the first and square root of the third, and write the sign of the middle, all power 2. Then the result will be square root of that expression will be square root of 3, this one. This is the simplest form of this example. Understood? Then the answer will be square root of 3 plus 1. You can use this method to find the answer about simplest by using perfect square. Okay? Understood? The answer will be square root of 3 plus 1 is the simplest answer. Look at this equation. If 2x or power 2 equivalent to 4x finds the value of x. First step, we can simplify this. 2x power 2 equivalent to 2x times itself. 2x times itself, it will be 4x power 2 equivalent to 2x. And then you can simplify by move 2x from right hand side to left hand side and change the sign. 4x power 2 minus 2x equivalent 0. The next step, you can write the Hadcom factor between two terms. We have 4 and 2. 4 can divide by 2. Then the Hadcom factor between 4 and 2, write 2 outside. X power 2 can divide by x. Then we have 2x Hadcom factor. Then you can, next step, divide 4x power 2 by 2x equivalent 2. And 2x divided by 2x equal 1. Okay. Then again, 4x power 2 divided by 2x equal 2x, subtract by 1. Then we have two factors. Two factors there is the product between them equals 0. Then we have two solutions. The first will be equal 0 or second equal 0. So you have 2x will be equal 0. Then the value of x here equals 0. 2 times 0 equals 0. Or you can write 2x minus 1 equal to 0 by move negative 1 from left hand side to right hand side to find the value of x. So the value of x, we can write 2x will be 1. So the value of x equal 1 over 2. The value of x will be half. So the value of x here, we have two solutions. First, write 0 or half. The value of x will be 0 or half. Okay? Understood?